Right now, we will make homemade grape juice. Everything you need, most likely, you already have in your kitchen. So we're going to use what we have to make grape juice. I really wish that I had a grape tree outside where I can just go and gather grapes. But right now, I don't have that. So we're using grapes that was purchased out of the grocery store. So these grapes are coming straight out of the bag. Although these grapes came from the store, the benefits of making juice at home is less chemicals, less preservatives in your drink. Once we have all the stems removed from the grapes, we are going to wash the grapes and then make juice. You're gonna drain it really good. This is a mixer, another mixer, and this comes with my juicing machine. So using what I have, I'm trying out the mixers, just regular mixers that you use when mixing up a cake or something. They worked, but they didn't work as well as when I used the piece that comes with my juicer. So the piece that comes with my juicer, it's more solid, and I was able to really smash the grapes. So if you have something at home where it's something that you can really smash the grapes, it's really solid without holes, I suggest you use that because it gets the job done much quicker. Very quickly, you will begin to notice juice from the grapes. As you pound and smush on the grapes, you will start to see a lot of juice. Just keep going, and soon you'll have a lot of grape juice. Once you have a lot of grape juice, you can now begin straining. You want to strain to make sure that you don't have any stems or grape peeling. So we're straining using cheesecloth. Cheesecloth is very fine and it won't let stems come through. This method of straining works, but there's also another method. So the next method is to strain with the lid, like I have here. And if you want to make sure that after you strain with the lid, you don't have any stems or grape peelings in your juice, you can always double strain by using cheesecloth again. Most of the times, you will not have any stems or grape peelings in your juice when you use a lid to strain it. I poured these drinks right after I was done straining and it was so delicious. Fresh homemade grape juice. I made at least 8 bottles of homemade grape juice. Bottles this size right here. The ones we didn't drink, we put in the refrigerator to drink later. Thanks for watching.